Look at that, no number plates, no questions from SARS.
Live on our business.
Ufuna uthatha
Bakenge?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. The Special Investigating Unit is seizing several properties linked to Tembisa Hospital tender kingpin uHangwani Maumela. This follow last month operation by the asset unit which confiscated around 400 million in assets Nkosi yami, including tindlu leti betako Lamborghini layi-4 Bentley and a boat kasana. Lo babe bekahamba ngetimoto letinhle impela, and it seems like blue at his favorite color because ngibona itimoto takhe ngazuthi don't get the blue. So siyaqoqa ukuthi kunendzaba ledumile lapha eThembisa yokuthi kudliwe tigidzi temamiliyoni laphayana kulesiya sibhedlela Nkosi yami nge-corruption. Tindo timabheketwane lapha kulesiya sibhedlela akho lutho, ama-services aphuwa. Sibone ne-video beyiseculated enkundleni yokuxhumana nabantu balele phansi, abonesi bangekho nje, abantu batibuta ukuthi kahle hle kwendakalani lapha kulesiya sibhedlela because kudliwa imali, people are chawing imali Nkosi yami kokuthi bona baphile kahle, where else labanye abantu benta njani basafara. Muntu njani lungana nembeza mara lo ntshontshe imali yesibhedlela yena aphile kahle, bantu bangakhona ukuthola ama-services esibhedlela. Abantu abaningi bajabule kakhulu ngokuthi bamthathe leti ndoda yakhe uHangwani, basho ukuthi umsebenzi wemaphoyisa uyanqomeka, umsebenzi wolaba labadecide ukuthi abahambe bomthatha leti ndoda yakhe uyanqomeka. Because Maumela is accused of being a key beneficiary in the alleged corruption laphayana kuphi eThembisa Hospital. Abantu abaningi bajabule ngendlela lesimanga mababona bamthathela timoto takhe talokusho. Uyatibona nawe leti moto ukuthi tiyadura tiyadura. Bantu bahamba ngetimoto letidura ngoba nencumbi umuntu letimoto lenye uyihamba kanye after 6 months. But bantu babe basafara bangatholi ama-services etibhedlela because of wena uhlale kahle nemndeni wakho uphile kahle, bantu babe basafara Nkosi yami. Kubuhlungu shem lokho enteke eSouth Africa, abantu baphila kahle, abantu bayathuthuka, wales labanye basafarisha because of you. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.